Hello everyone, and for today I will show you my new setup guppy tank. For now, I don't have a large aquarium for the guppy. Inside this tank are my platinum Dumbo ear guppy. These guppies are my own breed guppies. I also added 3 mollies in this guppy tank. Molly fish is the best tank mate for your guppy. Molly will eat any leftover food at the bottom of the tank. Molly is also known to be algae eater. If you have problem with algae, then the best option you can do is to add molly in your fish tank. I added light, and this light is a 220 volt 6 watts aquarium light. Here you will see my platinum Dumbo ear guppies. These guppies are pet quality guppies that I currently breed. And if you want to learn more about guppy breeding, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button for you to be notified for my new video. That's all for today, and hope to see you on my next video.